Are you stuck at this stage and you don't know what connector attaches to which port? Today I will end the confusion that is these 5 ports at the back of your TV, and I will show you how to connect your DVD player or decoder to your television in 3 simple steps. Let's start with the yellow cable. Yellow or Y or V is for video. Connect yellow to yellow. Next we have red. Red is for right audio. Connect red to R. And lastly we have white. White is for left audio. Connect white to L. And now at the back of the TV, we are going to match yellow or Y to V or video. The port might be green, yellow, or just green. Red is for right audio. Just match it to any red port with R written on it. And it's not this one, it's the one at the bottom over here. And lastly, we have white for left audio. Just match it to white or L. So the trick is connect to your yellow or video, skip the other 2 ports, and then connect your audio cables at the bottom. After this, you will take your remote control and look for the source or input button. On my remote control, it's this button over here. Press it and select the appropriate input. In my case, it is AV2 over here. So what's up with the blue and red connectors that we skipped? Well, those belong to another input known as the component input. And together with the green port, you can have a HD signal via analog cables. And I have a separate video about how to connect components over here, and you can check that out in your free time. I will also post it in the video description below as well as in the pinned comment. And lastly, why do TVs still have these AV analog inputs? Well, it's because of backward compatibility, and this enables you to connect your video game console, your VCR, your DVD player, or your decoder to your modern TV. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video, and goodbye.